everybody, welcome back or to my channel. I always say welcome to today's video and I didn't. I got confused. Okay, so I am going to be showing you how to go from how to do day to night makeup. So you have your little day makeup that you wore to work or school or wherever, and now you're ready for the night. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So we are going to be going in with the Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So freaking gorgeous. And I'm going to start with the pink shade Supreme. Zoom you in. Oops, that's out. And this is just a Morphe blending brush. And so I already have like a light layer of a brown eyeshadow on. But this pink is going on over top really beautifully. What? Do I need to start priming with a brown eyeshadow first? And if you're worried about fallout, you can always like do a layer of translucent setting powder. But I'm not too worried about that. I just want you to get into this pigment for a second because holy smokes. This is so insane. Okay, I had to clip my hair out of the way. But now I'm going to take this little blending brush. This is a BH Cosmetics number 7. It has a little bit of old black shadow on there, so let's hope it's not too dangerous. I'm going to go in with this purple shade. It's called Big Wig. I literally live for purple eyeshadow. It is just so pretty. This brush is just like a little bit too fluffy. So I'm just going to add the same thing there, and I'm going to go back in with this Morphe brush that I used for the pink shadow. But I'm just focusing it here. My skin has been so dry lately, and I feel like especially in my lids. This brush is super soft though, so I'm kind of using it to blend out the purple. Here I am just continuing to layer that purple until it's the exact pigment and shade that I want, and it creates a really beautiful almost halo eye while also being very blended out. I feel like my eye shapes are super different from one another, so they always end up looking like not exactly the same. Color switch. I'm gonna go back in with that pink shade and really bring everything together. until my brow. Okay, so now we're gonna carve the crease. I'm going in with my NARS Creamy Concealer. And I'm just taking this MAC 228 brush. And to create the illusion that I have like really deep set eyes or like a nice defined crease, I take my concealer and I go above my natural fold and really exaggerate the look of a lid. And then trying to let that dry down a little bit. And I think another good trick is to bring just the top like all the way around so it kind of looks like a crescent moon. Bring it around town. I'm gonna dip into the Milani Gilded Nude and just take this like bright shade just to set this a little bit so it doesn't get too creasy, because my lids are literally oil tankers. Okay. Now, ooh, I'm gonna go in with Trust Issues. Trust Issues. You know that song by Drake? Whoa, baby. This is kind of green though. I was looking for like a cool tone silver for you. But this works. This is giving like fairy tale goddess. Is it picking up that shimmer? Interesting. Oops, I'm staining my pan. F U C K. What does that spell? You guys, I'm dead sober. Isn't that crazy? Wow, though. Wow. It's just a game to you. I cannot believe this. This is so pretty. I could literally go sprinting somewhere. I wonder if you guys are like truly getting the full appreciation of this shimmer though. And then I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna take Shookington and just dab a hair of it right here. Can I also get a hoorah for the no fallout? My ears are so red because I just embarrassed the frick out of myself. I feel like I use these, I find these exact colors in every palette I ever own and just do the same look over and over and over. It feels like. What are you gonna do? Okay. I'm going to go in with the Ardell Active Lash. These are what they look like. They're so pretty. I'm gonna get my adhesive on there. This is just the Ardell Black Lash Adhesive, Lash Glue. Okay, so while my lashes dry, I'm gonna go in with the pink shade. Nothing harsh. Everything is ethereal and gorgeous, and I'm just a fairy. Oop. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with that purple. We'll deepen up the face with the Anastasia Saddle Powder Bronzer. Okay, let's go in with this LA Girl Shockwave purple liner. It's supposed to be neon. Oh, a little subtlety. Owie. All right, now that we are just so thrilled with our lash application, we're gonna get into the lips. I'm going to be going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Foxy Brown Lip Cheat. I look crooked or anything? Okay, we're gonna go in with Juvia's Place. This is in Nubian Sand. It is such a beautiful lipstick. I feel like I'm looking real pale. And that is my day to night makeup. I think it turns out really, really beautiful. I actually look like I'm going from day to the club, like straight to the club. So it's time to get, you know, I don't know. What do people do at the club these days? I wouldn't know. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Okay. Oh my gosh, no, mother. Damn it.